Welcome to the Autocad manual. Today, let us see about dimensioning in Autocad. So, what is a dimension? A dimension is a numerical value of values provided in appropriate units of measure and used to define form, size, orientation, or location of a feature or part. There are two types of dimensions. The first one is size dimension, and the second one is location dimension. The size dimension are placed directly on a feature to identify a specific size, while the location dimensions provide a relationship of features of an object. The dimensions information may also include notes that provide information necessary to manufacture a machine part. For example, notes that specify the type of material from which the part is manufactured, or special processes to be performed on the part. Processes such as machining processes like counterboring, countersinking, etc. After you draw a component to its complete shape description, you also have to add information about the size description. This information is provided through the distance between the surfaces, location of holes, nature of surface finish, type of material, etc. The expression of these features on a drawing by using lines, symbols, figures, and notes is called dimensioning. Now, let us look at several terminologies that are used when dimensioning. As you can see, we have the following. The first one is extension lines. The extension lines are the lines that extend out from the features of the object that is being dimensioned. The second one is dimension line. These lines are drawn between the extension lines and they terminate in arrowheads that extend up to the extension lines. The third one is dimension text. This is the text in the dimension line that denotes the distance or angle between the extension lines. The fourth is the reader line. The reader line points to the features of the parts and are used in notations that describe the features, like the diameter of a hole or the radius of an arc. The reader lines should terminate as follows. 1. They should terminate with a dot if they end within the outline of the object. 2. They should terminate with an arrowhead if they end on the outside of the object. And lastly, they should terminate without a dot or an arrowhead if they end on the dimension line. Other terminologies are self-explanatory. These include the diameter symbols, the radius symbol, the angular dimension, and the offset from part.